Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking here, and yeah, I'm not cooking today. Today is a farm work day. It's actually warm and really nice. So I'm going to put together a chicken coop that I got from a kit so I can move the chickens back into the barn and have them a little bit more secure. And we'll see how that goes and how it goes together. And then my neighbors are coming up with some of their big tractors and equipment to work on cleaning out the barnyard, what they can of it anyway. I think some of it's frozen, but they're going to get what they can today. So we'll see how that goes. So let's see if I can put this together today. You know, I told you, if you've been following along, you know what happened to my chickens this summer. And I've got 3 left, and they've been in a safe house, literally. But I'm going to put this together actually in the barn. I got it at a really good deal here for Christmas. It's not the heaviest built thing, but it'll give them a coop inside that I can lock them up in reasonably safe overnight. So let's see what it looks like. It's got lots of pieces, but it comes in the pre-assembled panels. So except for putting in a bunch of screws, it's really not too bad. So let's see what it looks like once I get it going and done. So it comes with the instructions, as you can see here, but it also has all the screws needed for the different steps all put together in their own little bag. That's kind of nice. And they sent additionals, all kind of them. So let's see how this goes. I have help doing my stuff. Hey, there's my screws. Where that one went? That's Tweedledum. He's my, well, he's a helper. Sometimes he's too good of a helper. He's also a little spoiled. Okay guys, we're making progress. Here's the inside. Those are the nesting boxes. This is a removable tray. So the main house part is done. And now I am working on setting up the pen area. Got my cute little ramp there. And we're going to get this screwed in, and then it'll be a matter of putting in the reinforcements and putting on the roof. It really goes together easy. I mean, all you need is a screwdriver, but it really does go together easy. Now, if this were going to be my only coop outside, I can tell you that there's no way in heck I would use it. It would not be heavy enough to withstand what it needs to. But inside here, to be what I want, a double safe pen for them, I think it's going to work great. And my helper. Well guys, I got her done. It has little fold out hatch here that you can get into the nesting boxes. That's just a vent. And then this is a vent window too. You see the pen underneath. And then you can see the ramp. And the rest of it. It didn't go together bad at all. Like I said, it's not heavy duty, but for this application, it works great. So, yeah, this is. Oh, I've got a couple curious goatees. Rachel and Leah. Pretty girl. Hi. And so once again, that's the Homestead Chicken Coop by Innovation Pet. Pretty good deal, actually, for what it is. So, the chickens are moved in, and they seem very happy. If you can see them, they're already dusting each other themselves and having fun. They like their new home. It's a yes. Today's also barn cleaning day, or barnyard cleaning day, which is going to be a job. But this is the outfit that's going to haul it away. Stuff has come a long way, and give you an idea on size.